Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. This is Kendris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pose your 3D models in Clip Studio Paint. So you can see here I downloaded this Wonder Woman drawing. So I made it a little bit transparent, and then I'm going over with the 3D model, moving the arms and legs to match the pose of the drawing. So the first thing I like to do is move the whole body into a similar angle of the drawing or picture. And after that, you start moving your arms and legs and try to match it as much as possible. And it doesn't have to be exactly, but you want to get it as close as possible and pay attention like to the arm, if the arm is like rotated, and the way it's bent, and that's gonna get you like the best results. It's good to start with basic poses like this because you get used to the controls, which they actually updated. It used to be like a lot trickier to use, but now they made it better in the latest update. And the main reason you wanna do this poses, like pose it, copying like a picture and things like that, is that you'll be able to later move it around and have the same pose like in any angle you want. You can experiment and have the same. Let's say you have a scene in a comic book, you can have the same like scene, but from multiple angles, and it's gonna be always the same. You don't have to worry about posing another character. You can just show the same thing from different angles, and that can be very useful. So this post pretty much done. It was kind of easy, and it looks pretty much the same as the drawing. And after you're done, what you can do is save the pose. And the way you do it is you go here, you see this little icon here, you click that, and then you can save the pose and use it on any other character or model. You can give it a name and then choose where you're gonna save it. Pose, action pose. How you can make a folder too and have like different kinds of poses. And you can see here you can add different body types. So yeah, it was pretty cool. After you have the poses, you can change it a little bit, have a couple variations, put on any character and body type and things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the tip I want to show in this video. You can use a picture and try to match the 3D model, and that's gonna make it a lot easier to make poses and have cool poses from they have seen somewhere else. So yeah, that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna be doing more 3D model tutorials. If you guys wanna see some of those, make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to follow me on social media like Twitter and Tumblr. Post a lot of different things over there. And if you like the video, make sure to like and share with your friends and your followers, anything like that. That would be very helpful. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna leave you with this little sketch I did based on the 3D model. See you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.